In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Twitter account. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end without skipping any part. And before I move on, subscribe and also turn on the notifications of our channel so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. To create an account of Twitter, you must first download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. After the app has been downloaded, you can open up the app. Now from the home screen, you would get a interface similar to this. You can create an account using two ways. Either you can use your Google account, which you have logged in to your phone, or you can also use your email address. For this video, I'm going to select the second option, tap on create account, choose your language, and then tap on next. Now start by typing in your name, and then you need to enter in your email address or your phone number. If you want to use your email address, you can tap on this use email address on the bottom left and type it in. Enter in your date of birth. Now again tap on next and then tap on sign up. Complete this verification. After the verification is complete, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You need to enter it here. Now this is the last part where you need to type in and create a new password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. Type in the password and tap on next on the bottom right. And as easy as that, you have now successfully created your Twitter account. Now you can start editing your profile by adding in a profile picture and then follow other people. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.